Very nice for someone. Let's forget about business muna. Huwag muna tayong maghatak ng magbi-business ng petrolyo like what I have told you. Kung gusto mong magsunog 24/7 nandun sa lugar namin. Manambia, hindi yung sentro, the town of poblasyon. We are trying to promote Sitio and Barrio. Sitio Candiisan, which is along Barrio Soriano and Barangay Manambia. Yan yung ipropromote natin nang makahatak tayo ng pabrika ng langis, diesel, oil, gas at kerosene. Kasi kasunod doon, sibog para sa amin, pangkain. Let's forget the business muna. Politiko tayo. The world of politics. Saan ako magsisimula?